Hello, my dear students. We discuss about some Excel tricks. Let's check out our assignment. Our assignment are highlight top 5 salary accounts using green color. So we go monthly salary and click here. Select like that. Go to conditional format. Then go to new rules. Then click format only top or bottom rank value. Click here 5. Go to format, choose here green color, then click OK. We got our result here. Then we go to our second assignment. Second assignment is highlight the lowest salary amount using yellow color. So we select here and select like that and going to conditional format. Go to new rule. Click format on the top or bottom rank value. Then click here 1 and click here bottom. Format color is yellow. Then click OK. We find out our lowest salary amount using yellow color. Then go back, check out our third assignment. Highlight those salary amount which are above the average salary using red color. So go to monthly salary, select like that, go to conditional format, then go to top, bottom rules, here above average, then what is the color? It's red. Okay, click OK. Then go to auto sum, click here and click average. We find out our average. Look, our average is that. Then go back. Our fourth assignment is highlight those salary amount which are below the average salary using green color. So click like that. Same process. Go to top, bottom rules and below average. What is the color? Green color. Okay. Here is the green full with dark green text. Okay. Click here. Then click OK. Now find out the average. We got our average. Look. Okay. So we can easily find out that those type of assignments. So thank you. I hope you enjoy the class. Bye.